So hi again. Today we have another problem that is you and your books. And this the question is so simple. I suggest you to solve yourself and then come to this video. And the question states that basically you are given an array and you have to tell the maximum consecutive subarrays that satisfy this condition. What is the condition? That is the element of ARR that should be less than equal to k. Obviously, the k is given, that is 1 here, and we have to tell the maximum consecutive subarray sum of the values of the maximum consecutive subarrays. Let us take an example, then it will be clear to you. Suppose we have this example, and the value of the k is 1, so you can clearly see that how many values are less than k, less than equal to k, that is consecutive also. That is, you can clearly see that 1, 1, 1. So the answer will be 3. If suppose there is another consecutive series that is 1, 1, 1, 1. So obviously the answer will be 4 because this consecutive series has the sum value that is greater than this series, right? So you have to tell the maximum consecutive sum subarray and then you have to return this value. So this is the question. How can I solve this? Uh, think about something. Let us check for the time complexity. It will be a hint to us. Obviously, they are asking to solve this question, that is linear time complexity. So basically, I have to traverse this array and check for the elements if it is less or not. I mean less than equal to or not. So let us take some variables, that is temp and answer, and k is 1. So let us traverse from here. Obviously, the value of the k that is less than this one, so we cannot consider this 3, cannot consider 2 also, 2 also, 3 also, but you can consider this 1. So temp will be initialized by 1, and then we have another one. So okay, then we have to update the answer variable also. Initially, the answer variable will be 0. It will be 0. And when that value of the temp is greater than 0, then we will update the answer variable. That will be 1. And now we have another one. So you have to add this one into the previous answer. That will be 2. And obviously, the answer variable will also update. So it will be 2. Now this one is equal to the k. So temp will be 3. Answer will be updated by 3. Now we have 3 here. We cannot consider 3. Now we have 1 here. So, okay, so I have missed one thing, that is when you have seen you have got some values that is greater than k, then we have to initialize t with 0 again, and that's why you can have the maximum value of the consecutive sum. Okay, so now we have 1. So 1, this 0 will be 1, and obviously 1 is less than the answer, so we will not bother about it and go to this one. It will be updated by 2. it, it will be updated by 3, and here it will be 4. Now you can clearly see that 4 is greater than 3, so obviously we can update the value of the answer, that will be 4 here. So the 4 is our answer. Obviously, you can clearly see that this is the longest, I mean, biggest consecutive sum throughout the all the array. So this is our answer, and this will be our procedure to solve this question. Let us try to code it up. We have to take answer variable here. Sorry, not int. It will be long. That will be initialized by 0, and also long temp will be initialized by 0. For int I is equal to 0, I less than plus plus. We have to just basically traverse the array if error of I is less than equal to k, then we have to update the temp value, that will be error of I, else uh, temp will be 0, and we have to update the answer will be max of answer and temp. Whenever the value of the temp will be greater than answer, then we have to update the answer variable. So we are using max here. So return answer. Sorry. Answer. Okay. Let us try to run the code. It's working fine. Let us try to submit it. Okay. So the time complexity, that is obviously linear order of n, and we are not taking extra space. And yeah, this is the approach. Hopefully you have understood everything. And bye. See you in the next video.